This video is going to demonstrate the safe procedure for car top access.
It's essential that the lift is taken under control by the engineer prior to top of car access. The engineer confirms the lift car is not occupied and places 2 car calls in the down direction to create demand. Then the engineer stops the lift via the landing door lock and secures the landing door. The lift car must be positioned at the landing level to enable safe access. The engineer engages the top of car emergency stop button, removes the door blocking device and closes the landing door. A landing call must be placed to create a demand for the lift. The landing door is reopened and the door blocker reinserted. The top of car control is now switched to inspection and the emergency stop button placed in the run position. Remove the door blocking device and close the landing doors. A landing call must be placed to create a demand for the lift. The landing door is reopened and the door blocker reinstated. The engineer now engages the stop button before completing his JHA. The JHA is completed to identify any hazards. The hazard scan should identify risks relating to slips, trips and fall, machinery entanglement, sharp objects, chemicals and oils. Other hazards may exist and these also need to be assessed. Record your findings and ensure that all hazards identified are appropriately controlled. If hazards cannot be controlled, stop work and contact your supervisor or manager. When a fall hazard exists or fixed barriers are not present, sufficient personal fall protection must be used. This equipment must be visually inspected prior to use. Take a safe position on top of the lift car. Close the landing door. Place the emergency stop button to the run position and using both hands, verify the car top control, always checking in the down direction first. Once you have verified the controls, place the emergency stop button in the stop position. When an uncontrolled fall hazard exists, the engineer must secure his fall protection on a suitable anchor point. Fall restraint systems must be adjusted to prevent the engineer from reaching the fall hazard point. When egressing the car top, the fall protection system must be disconnected before stepping onto the landing. When safely on the landing, the engineer places the car back into service by switching the inspection switch to normal, switching the car shaft lights off and placing the emergency stop button into the run position. The door blocker is removed and the landing doors closed. Now, safely back on the landing, place a landing call to ensure that the lift is safely back in service. Remove all of the out of service notices and service barriers before leaving the site. Following the safe procedures outlined in this video will ensure your safety and the safety of the travelling public to be all safe, everyone, every job, every day.